Alright guys, we got the Porcopotamus. A little bit sketchy with these wheels. It's like, it feels like it's in a bowl of soup and a marshmallow or something. It's like, it's super freaking shaky and stuff. So I'm lined up with a Hellcat. I'm really trying to get this guy to run me in a Hellcat. That would be amazing. First pass, running a Hellcat. He runs what I think I might be able to run, so we're gonna see, man. We'll see. So everything looks pretty good with the car right now. We're trying to keep it nice and cool, but it's a process here. All right, well, it looks like we're gonna run the Hellcat first time out here. Dude, Cecil County, man. I've been trying to come to this track for like years. I was trying to run this track when I was trying to run my best time with the C7 Z06, and they had a blizzard that came through and it was snowed out. They canceled. They had a big track day and all it, and I was really looking forward to making it, and just didn't really happen. So we're gonna see. Dang girl, don't treat me like that. All right, here we go. Hellcat for the win here. Service airbag. Dang it, I had it in manual mode. That thing launched hard. Dang it, I would have had him. That's terrible. Yep, thing up. I threw it back in and it, whoop, let's close this down. Man, we need to get some revenge on that. We need to get some revenge on that bad. Thank you.
You're welcome to. That's it, but you know, I still have a lot of
Yeah. Oh man. So 13.4 at 116, and I went a 172 60 foot to his 2.0. He went 11.6 at 123, and dang it, man. I was like, what did I do? I had it in manual mode. Dang it!
I got done at Escalade, man.
Freaking 60-footed hard, but they just showed me the video. I freaking pulled the wheels on this thing. That's nuts. Yes, we gotta cool this thing down, man. Oh, I need revenge on that so bad. We're gonna find that guy. All right, guys, take 2 on that. Let's try this again here. man, it spun like crazy. Terrible. Jeez. Man, that was kind of a shame. Yeah, let's see what we got, man. That's going to be a little bit disappointing, but we're going to try here. Thank you.
Yep, that's part of his job.
Man, 2.0 60 foot. We went 12.0 at 122.36 with a terrible loss of energy there. Dang it! We could have put the one with the other one. Man, we have a good time. Jeez. I think we only got time for maybe one more pass with Sam, so we're going to try and make that happen, guys. They closed at 10, and it's 9:30, so we're going to try and get 2 more passes, 1 more on each here. Try and make it happen. I don't know, something was crazy when I did the burnout though. So it was like the wheel speed went up and down and up and down. So I don't know. I hope everything's all right. Man, no, I mean,
did it pull the tire that time?
I don't think so. Because it felt like it just went.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When
I didn't even
left,
think it was him.
sounded like it just blew his tires off.
Yeah.
That's what it's.
Well, the wheel speed went up. The wheel speed went way up, like it did spin.
Okay, well then I think that one was spinning. This one was not.
Okay.
Because that's how it was on the burnout partially too.
Yeah, wheel speed went like 30 mile an hour, and then it came back down to 21, and then went up. And... Dang it! All right, so I got to move the shift points down a little bit. We got to try and get a pass more. 1 more on this, 1 more on that one. Just jumped back in the Porcopotamus. I parked Sam and I came here, and it is 9:58, so this is going to be our last pass. Maybe, just maybe, they might let us get another one if something doesn't go right, but man. Oh, so close, man. This thing is gonna, if we can get a good 60-foot thing, this thing is going to rip, man. So I'm risking it for the biscuit here on this particular lane here. This lane has not been running well, but I wanted to get a pass on this. This is my last chance here, so we're gonna try and make it happen here. Gotta let that cutout eat there. She's a nasty potamus. Going against a stanger. Well, we broke something. Broke something there, kids. I don't think it's gonna go back. Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. I mean, all you keep saying, hold you. I'll pull you down here if you want.
Guys, I think we just blew the drive shaft to smithereens here.
think it is?
Friday. What is it?
Drop load and dry shift.
Babe! What?
Too much ice.
We're gonna need a drive shaft tomorrow.
I told you guys that giant ice is
It's the ice. That's what it did.
sheets.
Woo! Where's that piece of? Yeah, there it is. Oh my gosh, look at
all
this
this stuff.
That's yeah. Dang, dude.
Dude, it was gonna leave too.
Man, that first pass, had I not done the freaking stupid. Ah! Oh man, that first pass would have rocked. Dang. Yeah, when he was towing me backwards, it's like going da-ding, 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 and I'm like, man, maybe we shouldn't do that.
I heard it go. Yeah, I heard it flopping around in there. I was like,
Cross members though.
Oh yeah, there she is. Man, where's the rest of it? Oh, there it is. Dang. Yeah. I don't know if a stock one's gonna cut it. I think we're gonna need something bigger. Yeah, that's a ouchie. That's a. Yeah, look at that guy. Ooh. That thing's like 3 sheets of paper. We used to be one. Oh man. That would have been a hell of a pass. Jeez. Little carnage. Ugh. That's a sad panda right
Alright,
there.
here's your battle
Darn it.
scars. I don't know if this is off yours or not, but it was.
Oh
up
yeah,
there,
we're gonna
so.
keep. Oh yeah, that's mine. Yeah. Well, I don't know about that guy right there, but this is definitely mine. That's about exactly like
Isn't
the.
there another piece?
Yeah, we got a big piece. We're gonna keep that one there too. Here you go.
So, all in all, a
Dang.
halfway successful night.
Yeah, halfway successful. It's like I didn't want to break something on the way home. Damn.
10-1.
That thing, gosh darn, 10-1. Yes. This thing should have gone like 11. This thing should have done it, man. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have to put this thing on the trailer and head home. We'll give you a little bit more of a breakdown with whatever's going on. But thank you guys so much for watching. That was fun, but a little bit it's gonna hurt the wallet a little bit, but it's all right. That was fun. We got a 2-hour drive to get home, so we'll see you guys. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so this morning I was like trying to find a drive shaft and trying to wrangle up a bunch of stuff this morning to see what I was doing to fix the Escalade, and I ran into a guy while I was on the phone. He was like, hey man, just want to say hi. And they had a kind of a crash, like a what do you call it, a reconstruction, at a reconstruction convention at the hotel that we were at, and they were wrecking some cars. That's kind of where we showed some of the clips right there of the cars kind of T-boning and hitting the rear end. But anyway, this gentleman, as we were talking, was like, hey man, I got one of those light bars. He's like, I'll hook you up, man. So I was like, dude, that's freaking really sweet. So we set something up. He came back, he's got all this stuff, and I am so thankful. So
Yeah,
I mean,
no
this
problem,
is like this is gonna be awesome. This is like a kind of an answer to prayer there. We were looking for one for a while, but wow, this you got all sorts of different options. So kind of tell us some of the stuff of what you got. So
all of these bars here, they come off of decommissioned cop cars, ones that we take apart that we don't use. They have too many miles, they've been in wrecks or what have you. So I've got them in a couple of configurations. They either got red-blue combinations, or all blue, all red, just some other things that we had. And then the siren boxes and controllers, so because what projects complete if you don't have sirens and you need to be able to yell at people for it, right? So these bars are kind of configured to do all sorts of different things. Like I said, they'll do red and blue. You can have takedown with white work lights in them if you want. They've got alley lights on both sides. You can do left, right, center, traffic arrows out of the back, all ambers. And it's just kind of cool bars, and I thought it'd be the perfect thing for Uncle Sam, right? You gotta have it on there.
Yeah, and you were telling me that all the ones kind of with, like, I don't want to say pleats, but
so like the Fresnels that are on the front of this, ones that are straight, those are the modules that have color in them.
Yeah.
So like this whole half of the bar on this one is blue, and from here over is going to be red. These two in the center that don't have any of that Fresnel for refracting the stuff or reflecting light, these are just going to be all white, so you can turn them steady on if you want, or you can have them flash, whichever one you want to do.
And you're saying that like you got these alleyway ones right here.
Same thing here on the alley lights. So down your left hand side,
Oh,
exactly
man.
what they're for
That's
alleys.
gonna be so much fun. Actually the other gentleman that was just here with the Caprice that I bought his from, he's got the little like 9 LED little articulating light on the A pillar there.
There you go.
And so we were doing a road test with it, and I was kind of playing around with it and stuff. That was so much fun. I want to get one of those next, but between that and then this, that's gonna totally complete.
You can add to it. And like you said this morning, seeing you at the reconstruction conference, I mean, I thought it was cool. I've watched your channel for a long time, and I think it's cool that you support police and taking the vets out for a ride and all. So
definitely.
It's the least we can do, you know, hand it back and make Uncle Sam like the real deal.
Yeah, so I mean, we're gonna, the idea here is hopefully we're gonna put this on so where you can kind of snap it off and snap it on really quick on like a quick disconnect, some sort of bulkhead that we can use, but that's gonna be ideal. I mean, going about 140 miles an hour, that can
little
be
bit of wind resistance.
Yeah, a little bit of wind resistance. I don't want that to get in the way, but I definitely want it to look the part. Yeah, so that's going to be really cool.
On our regular cars, you can see them up there, and you can hear the wind, so it's going to be something to be mindful of if you start getting this wind.
And so like we got all sorts of different options. So we got a so check that out.
Yep, so some sound off signal. That's a breakout box for the arrows. So that box will control this light via like it's a J45 cable. And each one of those inputs will control different things. So if you want to flash, put 12 volts to one of those wires. If you want to do left turn signals, put one of those wires. So you can really hook them up to do whatever you want them to do.
So Liza's going to have a lot of wiring to do here pretty soon here. So this is going to be a lot of fun though. I mean, I'll probably maybe, you know, I don't know, 5 or 6 switches, that ought to do enough. I think that'll be enough options.
You can do up to 12 on that one, so you can have that and do all sorts of things.
So the takedown, what is that right there?
So front takedowns for us is these 2 center ones. They call those takedown lights. That's going to be a white, hard spotlight straight out in front of your car. And then they have the alley lights, which is exactly that, the ones on the sides for the alleys. The cruise mode, if you just want to, you know, post up and you're hard parked somewhere, have just the end caps glow in certain colors, so you can park just like a running light. So when you turn your running lights on, it'll glow red and blue on both sides. You can also do 2 colors on the back, so they have traffic direction on them. So you can hit one switch and have red and blue warning lights for everything, or you can have left, right, center, amber arrows to direct people around you.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, you were telling me a little bit about this a little earlier here. So we got a couple of other different things there with that too. What does that do?
This is a siren box and controller. So all of these are your siren tones, your wails, your yelps. You can have the actual little air horn button on there to do that and make the horn sound. You can connect that to the horn that's in the car, so it'll trigger the outside one.
Yeah, my horn doesn't work, so
you got a horn now. You get speakers with this. The slide switch, so you can have your quick ones that you want to use all the time. So if you just need to do just warning lights, you just want to be loud and be seen, you can use those. And then for each individual functions, you can trigger those differently with those relays also.
What do these weigh, do you think?
I don't know, they're not too heavy. I mean, 15, 20 pounds.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
But they're not very aerodynamic. They're not meant to be, but
that's the best option though. I mean, like compared to the other one, like I saw some of the other ones that were like, you know, the 8-inch ones, and I was like, nah, that's just too old school. So I've been holding out and waiting for the right opportunity, and lo and behold, the opportunity presented itself. So I mean, this is perfect. So I cannot wait to do this. This is going to be a blast, man. So
hopefully it works out for your project, and I'd like to see it on there one day. If not, I understand, but at least point you in the right direction.
Yeah, man. Well, thank you very much. That's been awesome, man. That's
no problem.
Really,
It's nice
really cool.
to meet you. I'm glad I can help out.
All right. Well, that's a wrap.